Hello techies. In this session, we will learn how to work with list teams action. Before that, let me show you a scenario. Let me switch to Microsoft Teams. If you see in my teams, I am having few of the teams, right? Such as Conteso, onboarding employees, build team. These are all the teams which I am having right now in my Microsoft Teams. How can I go ahead and get it all the teams which we are having in Microsoft Teams? There we are having an action called list of teams in Microsoft Teams which are available in Power Automate Desktop. To get all the list of teams, we are going to use this list teams action. Now let me drag and drop this action onto the workspace. This list team actions retrieves a list of all the teams Office 365 groups you are available as a member. Alright. Now, if you see advanced over here, only one option that we have, that is timeout. And all the list, whatever the list we are there, all the list will be available and stored inside my variable, that is get all teams response. Alright, let me click on save. Let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And the flow has executed successfully. There you can see for the list teams, I'm having the output variable, output flow variable, that is get all teams response. Right? Let's double click on that to see the output. There you can see for the get all team response, I'm having the properties such as data context, data count, and data value. Now, if you see over here, data count is 3. The reason is that we are having 3 teams over there, right? Let me switch back to Microsoft Teams. There you can see I'm having Conteso, onboarding employees, and build team. These are the teams which we are having. The count is 3 over there, all right? These 3, I got it as the data count. Now, let's click on more. There you can see I got the item over here as 0, index 0, 1, 2, right? There you can see, if you observe closely, the display name is Conteso, and the another one is build team, and the third one, the display name is onboarding employees. All right. There you can see I'm having the description as Conteso, description more information, description as new journals to the respective teams. All right. Now let me open one of the team over here by clicking on more, and there you can see the ID of the particular team. Right. This is the ID, created date and time, display name as Conteso, description is Conteso. Right. And you can see the internal ID, classification, specialization, visibility, web URL, is archived, tenant ID, member settings, guest settings, and many more. You will find the properties for the particular team. All right, let me click on close. I hope you understand how to get list of teams in our Microsoft Teams by using list teams action as part of this tutorial.